Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at your water valve on this Electrolux front-load washing machine. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. A faulty water valve can result in a couple of different things. You might not go into spin because this washer does only use cold water to fill the unit. It might take too long to fill, resulting in an F11 error code. Or it could show that the hot water is coming in instead of the cold water, resulting in an F9 error code. To begin,
click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video, and let us help you do it right the first time.